It's onion, not onion. It's almond, not almond. It's women, not woman. It's police, not police. It's clothes, not clothes. It's Wednesday, not Wednesday. It's chocolate, not chocolate. It's breakfast, not breakfast. It's jewelry, not jewelry. It's library, not library. It's table, not tablet. It's raspberry, not raspberry. It's knife, not knife. It's world, not world. It's mountain, not mountain. It's animal, not animal. It's etc., not etc. It's February, not February. It's island, not island. It's plumber, not plumber. It's comfortable, not comfortable. It's tomato, tomato. Both are correct.